Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try my best to help you fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 screen flickering or widescreen flashing. Please follow along with me and try all the methods I'm going to present you in this video. So let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in this kind of content tutorials, I upload daily, so I really appreciate that. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do first is to press Windows logo key plus S, so you can see the search bar here, and here please write device manager.
Enter, and here we need to update our display adapters. So right click, update, search automatically, and we have to check if there's any of that updates available. And also for your processors. And once you've done that, something really important to do is to go back to battle.net.
Battle.net. And here,
what you should do is to go to the game Modern Warfare 2. I don't have the game, but I'll explain it. I will explain what you have to do using a different game. So go to option, and here, please click on scan and repair.
next method, search in the search bar or on your desktop. You can also go to Steam, right click on the game, go to properties, and here local files. Please click on verify integrity of game files, and if there's any error, if any wrong files that are missing inside the game, if you click on this, will actually solve this problem, and this has the potential to cause the flickering and the screen flickering and also the white screen. So please click on verify integrity of game files, and also here if it's enabled for you, please uncheck this, enable the Steam overlay while in game. This can cause a lot of problems. And also here in launch options, please write this, and then here in local files, click on browse and go to the game. Where is it? Here, right click, go to properties, compatibility, and check this and this. Please test this, because sometimes for some users won't work, but for others will work, because we have different systems. But please try all of them and let me know in the comment section if it worked or if it didn't, because I'll look for other ways to fix this issue. That's pretty much it, guys. As I said, if this video didn't help you, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create another video for you. I'll look for other ways to fix this problem. If this video helped you all, I really appreciate if you could subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.